Okay, so we just got this set of all these different forceps here and tweezers and stuff. And this one is actually tweezers with a little magnifying glass on it and stuff. So you can actually see as you get down in there. You can see you got the little tweezers. So you can work on really fine product, really fine projects and stuff, really teeny tiny things that you could see really well. And you got this whole set. Some of them are angled, some of them are curved, some of them are tiny tip. They come individually kind of packaged. It's one package, but they're kind of separated here. And you can see here, look at this, I took them out of the package there, and we've got little caps on the ends of some of them to keep them from spreading open and being too sharp and pointy. You don't want to jab yourself or anything, but look at, if you were doing some kind of a really fine work, any kind of a project or hobby or whatever, that you need this really nice set of stainless steel forceps. Nice. I mean, they have really nice tip on them. See if I can get it to focus there. You can see really nice. This one has a cap, well, has it right there, a little slide there to keep them closed. But yeah, look at how nice those are. And some of them have the holes in them there, and some of them are just the solid side, and some of them have a little grippy hold on to it there and stuff. And I really like these because these are going to make it really easy to see any kind of fine work that you're doing there. So yeah, good stuff. Thanks for sending those.